Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you a powerful and emotional news report that touched three major events shaping South Sudan right now. Heartbreaking fire disaster in Juba, a sudden change in the Minister of Finance, and renewed clash between SSPDF and SPLIO in Koch County. This is a long, deep report. Before we begin with this top story, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's begin this report with the fire at Custom Market in Juba. According to the report, a child lost, business destroyed, and many questions left behind. Today we begin with a very painful story. A fire that ravaged Custom Market in Juba, leaving families broken, traders helpless, and a whole community asking how did this happen and why was the response late. The massive fire started on Monday around 7 p.m. near the South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation SSBC compound in Nyakron area. Witnesses say the flame rose quickly. People screamed, shop burst into flame, smoke blinded the whole area. The fire spread so fast that many traders only had seconds to choose between running for safety or trying to save their goods. Most of them escaped with only the clothes they were wearing. But the worst part of this tragedy was the life of a 5-year-old child. Police spokesperson Major General James Monday Enoka confirmed that the child was alone inside their house when the fire reached their home. The mother had gone to buy something. By the time neighbors noticed the flame, it was already too late. The fire trapped the child, and the heat was too strong for rescue to get in. Major General Enoka said that a case has been opened, but details are still limited as investigation began. A life was lost, and a family will never be the same again. Firefighters worked for hours to stop the flame, but many people complained that the response was too slow. Some traders said the fire station is closed, but they still came late. Even Minister Ateng admitted that the firefighters took more than 30 minutes to arrive. He first praised them, then later said the delay must be explained by the police. This has raised serious questions. Is Juba prepared for emergencies? Why do we always see delay in response? And how many fires must happen before safety changes are made? As the smoke disappeared and the ground cooled, traders walked through the hatches of what used to be their businesses. Many of them have been working for years, only to lose everything in one night. One trader said, "It is Christmas time. My children are waiting for me. My entire shop is gone." Another trader, a woman who sells wigs, says she lost goods worth $2,500, money she uses for school fees and to treat her sick child who has cancer. For some families, these businesses were the only hope. Economic impact on the community. The National Chamber of Commerce described the fire as both an economic and social tragedy. They say Custom Market is not just a market, it feeds thousands of families every day. Its destruction affects the entire community. They also promised to work with traders to recover and rebuild, but no clear plan has been announced yet. The minister blamed the placement of stall near important government building like South Sudan Broadcast Corporation. He say he had warned it before that putting shop around key installation is dangerous. He now want vendors clear from such areas. But many traders responded by saying, "We are not the problem. We are only trying to survive." Cause of the fire is still unknown. The government has not confirmed what started the fire. There are theories: accident, negligence, electrical fault, or something else. The truth will only come after the investigation, if the investigation is taken seriously. For now, families are grieving, traders are broken, and child life has ended in a way no one deserved. And let's move on to our second top story. Sudden shakeup at the Minister of Finance in Juba. President Kiir replaced top finance official. President Salva Kiir has removed and replaced the first Undersecretary of Finance, Gareng Majogbol. In a decree announced on South Sudan Broadcast Corporation, Kiir appointed called Daniel Ayulo, someone who previously held the same position. No reason were given, no explanation, just the usual silence that follow government reshuffles. Let's look at the public reaction. Edmund Yakani from CEPO reacted strongly. He said, "These frequent changes are turning the ministry into a house of corruption." Edmund Yakani, who is activist, warned that when officials are moved constantly, there is no accountability. People who misuse public money are never exposed. No one is punished. He added, if the government keeps changing leaders without explanation, there will be no transparency. Corruption grows in darkness. This reshuffle raises questions. Was Gareng Majak performing poorly? Were there pressure behind the scenes? Why bring back someone who was previously removed? The public may not get answers soon, but the ministry responsible for money, salaries, and national budgeting continue to operate in uncertainty. Let's move on to one of the sad and breaking news. Clash in Unity State. One dead, two captured. Before we move on, please hit the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Well, let's start with SSPDF and SPLIO at Changfied in Koch County in Unity State. Our final major story today takes us to Unity State, a place that continues to face conflict, fear, and instability. On Tuesday morning, fighting broke out in Soria Payam, Koch County. What happened? According to Koch County Commissioner David Ganmai, SPLIO forces allegedly attacked an SSPDF position. One SPLIO soldier was killed. Two were captured alive and are now in police custody. He said the fighting began early in the morning and the attacker fled afterward. However, the SPLIO Sector 2 spokesperson, Major Kerbino Yai Pazal, gave a different story. He claimed the military commissioner, Kol Bany Makon Chan, was moving toward Koch Town. As SPDF soldier knew he was passing through, they still attacked him. He said the full details were unclear because the commissioner's phone had been unreachable since morning. Tension remained high. This clash raises fear of renewed instability in Unity State. People living in the area continue to suffer. Homes are insecure, movement is dangerous, families fear nighttime attack. Food is scarce because of displacement. Both sides have different statements, but the result is the same. Another life loss, more families in fear, more tension in an already fragile region. Let's close this report. Today, South Sudan is carrying many heavy stories. A fire, that took a child life and destroyed a wolf market. A sudden government reshuffle in the finance sector, fighting between government and opposition force in Unity State. AG's story is painful on its own, but together they show a country that is struggling to find stability. To the families affected by the custom market fire, we stand with you. To the trader who lost everything, may you find strength to rebuild. To the parent of the child who died, may God comfort your heart. To our leaders, South Sudan needs accountability, planning, and unity, not confusion and silence. To those still fighting, our people have suffered enough. Conflict only bring more grief, more orphans, and more tears. Thank you for watching Changfied News. If you appreciate deep, honest supporting like this, please subscribe, like, and share. Ner malaken yam kana dial konen ba jomi ba jeling. Biya kamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Bana writing kon lat kurdin bana kling. Bana je toka ken store kon yare en laden walle. Store men yam bana ling amaje dan en sheet pet dor shalka mo custom market ke Juba. Wada tiek ke SSBC la South Sudan Broadcast Corporation. Ka jo chalat gwase me chalat no gwade shimat che tuok tintiang che tega gan method mi chi yede che jenten. Ka sha business nitin wan cha ka destroyed. Nitin wan ngo de taken humanitarian go ngum mi chi tuok do tuogede. Ma che tuok tiang ka custom market ke Juba ke nyekron. Gwan mi mo shimat che tuok gwan kan ngachu humanitarian. Sha kwaktung wan ken cha ka wan cool community rewi ke Juba. Yara wona me chi jen maje nyam maje wacho do kon la no wal ke 2024 to kwakton wan chu ka wang e nyoko to on tem ke 2025 ke 2024 jen match cho custom cho je wang ka changa wal bangon ka pai waro antam chela to tiang ka changa kel ka pai waro ron kin daro jan dangaro de dich gwada danan wang maitin gwadan ti ke South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation like SSBC yan gwada danan to rek motin shineri wan ti gala no shimaje mo che to ka sha video wan cha ka daga tur ala ku social media sha ne dial che kwakron wan che ga wang che tunu dial che ga yar yu tun wan kan long che ga wang kan it content te ka custom ne me men kula baje long ku gat kam dana chala do shi wang gadama wa man che jien che ka sup che ko ka dor dong de kana cham to ma chu ko lo to kor ni ma che to go cho gadama sho je wa ko ta ram to kude na me chala do cha case me cha jalat chi police spokesperson ramdan la le la kalat Major General James Monday noka chala do chi gat kele mo chi yede che jien gwade chi ma che to tin tiang ntam chala do no cha case cha jalep ko ba je gor ko gor ge no ba ngaje no maje mutu go mo kon maje mo che dor dial che gawang gwa sikan karwa de jen SSBC ala television dun South Sudan wajen gwa mo jikan karwa da mo everything ka custom che gawang kan dial ka je yor wan che gawang che kwak butun wan che gawang kan kwak ba cha ga kwak bone ne tin content wana mo wa mebe be che beje longa ka ne de chabel gwasame waka nitin kontin la maila jayen tin chalka firefighter ne de kona nyinka maj michi maj michi pet no biken way aba maja mo biken content ki biken gak ki biken caption waken chiga jan chaka bel wudu chalka aten wuga aten ano ne de ti tin chalka firefighter wa biken ka jokka kor 30 minute ka wati kan ka jan custom ba dorien waken gamal chup after 30 minutes chu kula ben wa chu kan maji mo chu kan kula caption chala no na me riek di da long kan ite konti la nyin ka mai ko la kan be ka jok chine ngwan chi di no maji ngum lede chine de ngwan chi wen walle re wich ka Juba wona ka ne chet ka nya self kem yadit adu self kem yadit che we gwal dan chi ma che toktin ka jen walla ka changdar chi ko gwe che men ne to ngwan ko kien tla official re wich chicken manan chu la chicken ogwich maje no togede te ne ngwan chi rach no shekel chela do ne jenen kona gatka tugdamen de ne do kulo jikten ka quick christmas kana meche wan kelio shekel mala wigne la ka ko ko chela do ne shi wigne ka te la no yuri chop ke $2,500 shi ga wan kan dia la the entire shop che wan jeni kan yuri ti tin lan ka jika wigne lan ka ko jen lan yo dwel gorka gan ka lan kul biya yur pintin ko custom thousand people jen ko le survive tin ko jen gwada na ko kan wanatin ger ka yutin everything in when mo jena business re wi ka jupo mo an mi cha wange chene de wan cha tara long chiram kel karware chi national chamber of commerce chi kala do men chi talk chi kon mi cha yar ke se chala social tragedy lo mi chi ne dial cha ga chuang do bran chi ma mo cha spread ka ja ka cha dial cha ga wang cha jo me cha de kweni nono chala de no chi kume la de no dongde kane de ti de kan ka moy ka kwak ban ngore kan kana kula lar ne anu wa ba investigation ba je kon lat kenyam ba do ba na tok mai ke je ba je kon ngach anu ngum tok mai ki ngumi wona ko bi ngwan bu ka wango ne gor je no do tok mai ke je ba je kon lat jen jo dan de kon lingane me ma je mo che gat kel che yere che jabat wana kale rara wode are wi ke Juba president Salva Kiir ma yadi cherami mamla top finance official che je woch ka che gware ye kunyara da dien ngay kon mala Kiir ma yadi dalat jene is still looking for solution president Salva Kiir ma yadi cherami mamla first under secretary of finance put shale garang majak bol che je George ke dikri michalat ke SSBC ci president Salva Kiir ma yadi che kol Daniel Ayulo ja kwan ala ramadan la kwar ka finance and gwatamo wa would me point ba men kuna la gajen kwar wuntin pat ja wi ka gwasedan watam je nyok mulu ja gwasde wana me bace na chuan why ngulet kirmo rami mo miche woni won bele nyogo nonga je re lan nyok la ke jen wona me jena ku corruption ku le nun ko baramo michi dwer chilat ba je wuch ka ba nyok mu waje nun ledrun wana me chagwa but kan do badana wo ke ja kana kolat no reason were given, no explanation. Me de ran kula dongak che dere me che jela dijen ko ke motel me chala changa kel. Wa jen ta dan le ro de jeno no shiram dan wuri shal ke en mun yakane activist rewi ke Juba. Kwer CEPO wa cha raje long che mi che de me chala de wona ne. Ajen me la kwela ajen mala woike me pa kwan ajen ko corruption ko je increase bana ke minister level. Jena me che chuang ajende minister mi cha kwan da la jenya tin de la de jenen mi cha mi je che la cha de la nyoko mo kwan ge de ra de mi jidin mi she jen de da kwan ge den de ram bo de je yen bo mi cha mi je che de chap so ne me ajo mi chalat no o bara me ba jo wo bar shafal ba jelat ba ji kwan ta me ka ba ji wo kerun ba nyoko lu jo ka cha ji kon wo me chang ko chi mi je lat ajende same mistake bi nyoko mo ko la do ne so cha jo me cha jelat jen dana choda lat wana kalera do dien me de kon link ku dwar shal ke me United State chala no chete kor mi chitwo kor mo to ga kam SPLA yo kene SSPDF South Sudan People Defense Force wa shi ke nyin ke SPLA yo ka dor shal ke Koch County na me jen final report dor shal mo United State wa chete ga gwan mi chitwo ka changaro ka jok runwa wa che kor chete dor shal ke Soria Payam ka Koch County she Koch County Commissioner David Ganmai well she jola den wonene kuma SPLIO she can base SSPDF position chicken ma ki chicken de SSPDF chicken ma gwa dan tiketen and when ma charam kel ka SPLIO charge nak ka chane dangro ka SPLIO chaga ka ntem wa ka tin chaga yen ka police custody ka joran chicken lat gwasme jo me jo shalat Commissioner David Ganmai well but chi jana chalat gwasme ran SPLIO SPLIO sector 2 spokesperson Ramadan la realat ke SPLIO Major Carbino yai jana chaga cheka no ken ni chicken SSPDF chicken ma ka besdien but SPLIO sector 2 spokesperson Major Carbino yai pazal chela do ne jene lanne la military commissioner Kol Bany Makon Chang ajene jajien we dugwa de chwale Koch town ne ajene SSPDF so di ko ngai kan wudu mo jawe ne kera ne SPLIO chicken pet jene gwa da no korwe tokten ajene ko ambush ne ke tele SPLIO ti chi SSPDF chicken ma gwa da antikten e jo me shejelat wa shumanta muraina wa pin beje kaka la kola dia toga and SPLIO kan SSPDF kan ka mak badwa ambush ne randa ramimo mulakwar ki military commissioner kol bany makon chan jaram danan chao wo peda do jen we ka Koch county ki ka Koch town chai wo peda ngwad mo de do edine SSPDF jene kene jena danan to korno mo chuo ne chine de ni SSPDF chine kama ka bezjen jena me shetok television lel no so ne me jendan chodo la channel to dial channel kaling me jiram jidit gwas me gor no jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell bu jetwany ka Changfied YouTube channel and be ataka mal ban jegal radien bye bye